Hello friends, we hope you are doing fine. So in this video today we will show you few ESD safe mats which are sold by India Enterprises. These ESD safe mats are of two-layer construction. So these ESD safe mats are the at the first step of clean room and static sensitive, static safe environment. So it is essential where electronic repair work is done or electronic assembly is performed. So ESD safe mats are essential for ESD safe clean rooms and anti-static functional. So we are showing you two-layer ESD safe mats. The top layer is dissipative and the bottom layer is conductive. These are available in multicolor options like gray, green and blue, light blue color. So the top layer is as we already explained to you, that top layer is dissipative and bottom layer is conductive. So bottom layer in all three mat is black, but the top layer is of different color like gray, green or blue. See this ESD safe mat, it is very essential where one intend to just constitute ESD safe environment. Apart from ESD safe mat, there are other protection like wrist strap, grounding cord, and gloves, anti-static gloves, and footwears, head caps. So, but this mat is the first step of establishing an anti-static environment. And so if you are working in anti-static environment, then you must buy ESD safe mat uh, for keeping your expensive devices or components from static discharge or damage. So let's see. So how these ESD mat are performing the static sensitive duties. So first we will measure the surface resistivity of these mats with the help of a surface resistivity meter, and we will check the uh, dissipative or conductive properties of these mats. See, with the help of a uh, surface resistivity meter, we can see that the top layer of this mat is static safe. It is within the dissipative range. Then next we will check the surface resistivity of this table mat with the green top. So we can see the surface resistivity is within the dissipative range. It is 10 raised to power 7 ohm per square inch. Then we will check the surface resistivity of this blue color mat. It is also within the permitted range and it is dissipative. And in the next step we will check the surface resistivity of bottom layer. As I already told you that bottom layer of all three mats is black and it is should be conductive. Yeah, you can see it is conductive. It is in the conductive range, 10 is to power 5 ohm per square inch. So next we will check the surface resistivity of other mat. So we can see it is also within the conductive range. The conductive range is the value is 10 is to power 5 ohm per square inch. Next we will check the surface resistivity of this blue mat. See, it is giving same value, it is within the conductive range. So we have checked the surface resistivity of top and bottom layer of all three mats. So it is the top layer is dissipative and the bottom layer is conductive. So this is how we can check the properties, ESD properties of these mats. As I already told you, see these there are multi-color options available in these ESD safe mats, and according to the size uh, selected by the customer, we can provide the cut pieces also. The standard size are 2 feet by 4 feet, 2 feet by 3 feet, and many more options are available. We can also provide a tailor-made size according to customers requirement. and depending upon the size of table customer is using, so plenty options are available. So next thing is as you can see, there are 10 male snap buttons fitted on the corner of these ESD safe mats. So normally we provide two snap buttons, two 10 male snap buttons on alternate corners, but customer can go for more than two buttons according to their requirement. So we can provide one button, two button, or maximum four button on each mat depending upon customer's requirement. So we are very flexible in terms of sizes of the mat and in terms of these snap buttons. So these snap buttons are used for connecting the wrist strap or grounding cord. See, there are various options available to connect these ESD safe mat to the common grounding point. So we were showing you this grounding cord, which is having two banana jacks on one side and a female snap button on the other side. This female snap button is connected on top of this male snap button. So it's a push fit type mechanism. So same grounding cord can be connected on all three these ESD mats. So then we can connect a wrist strap. See, wrist strap comes in normally in this configuration. We need to remove this crocodile clip to just expose this banana plug, and this banana plug can be inserted into this banana jack, and in this way we can connect the wrist strap to this common grounding point. This grounding cord is also called common grounding point because see, on the one side it is wrist strap is connected, and then on the bottom side this female snap button is connected to the ESD safe mat, and then this copper wire, this thimble should be connected to the external ESD grounding to properly connect this ESD safe mat and wrist strap to the grounding point. So customer should always wear the wrist strap while operating on the ESD workbench, and this common grounding point should be connected to the external grounding point. And see, this is the one option. Other option is also available. Uh, this 4-hole type grounding cord is also available. So we can see there are 4 holes. So two for the common grounding point and two for connecting the wrist strap. See, these these male snap buttons are used to connect the wrist strap, or we can connect the uh, grounding cord as well, and but this thimble on the other side of this wire should be connected to the external grounding point. So multiple holes are available on this common grounding point. We can connect at least 4 points with the help of this grounding point. So there are plenty of options available uh, for grounding these ESD safe mats to the common grounding, external grounding. So in this way, this complete ESD path is generated, and the strap and grounding cord is connected to the external grounding point, and this mat is also connected. So in this way, this first stage of ESD safe environment is achieved. So we recommend you to always use the ESD safe mat, grounding cord, and this strap to form the first line of defense against static charge. Hope this video is informational to you and you will like it, and it will help you to establish a clean room environment and ESD safe environment at your workplace. Thanks for watching.